Wow, a new YouTube series. That was kind of sudden. But you know what? I like sudden. It'll probably be especially sudden when I tell you it even has its own theme song. Alright, enough introductions. I'm just going to tell you how this show works. I get questions, you get answers. And we have a lot of questions, so let's get started. Dear John, Jesus says that people should love their enemies. How are you supposed to do that? Well, if I can speak honestly, I think the reason bullies get provoked is because the people that are being provoked by the bullies are provoking the bullies. If it's bullies you're talking about. Does that make sense? Maybe you should try being nice to them. If things go along as they should, the bully should stop bullying you. And if it doesn't, your enemies are big jerks. Wait a second, I just had an idea. And I'm not being sarcastic, but you should maybe read the Bible and pray about it. And I know those are church answers, but they're really important church answers. Dear John, my friends are making fun of me because I wear glasses and study a lot more than they do. They even call me a nerd. What should I do? Well, let me just say this. Life isn't all about getting attention from people. Really, I'm supposed to wear glasses, but I don't wear them. So in my heart, you're not a nerd. And instead of complaining, you should have this time to have a fun conversation with your friends. You seriously need to be able to laugh at yourself. But you're not a nerd. You're a grade A student. And believe it or not, there's a difference. Dear John, my friends are starting to avoid me. I'm not even sure they want to be my friend anymore. What should I do? Let me put it this way. There are millions of other people you can hang out with, besides people who want to avoid you. Dear John, my friends are ignoring me and I don't know why. What should I do? Tell a teacher, tell a parent, tell a pastor, tell a president. Just don't tell the police because then you'll just be an accessory to trying to get somebody in jail. Alright, that's all the questions. This was fun. Just mail me anytime with your questions and I'll answer them. If you don't know my email, I'll tell you it. But I can't tell you my email in this video because some people I don't know may be watching this. If I don't know you, then I can't give you my email address. Well, thanks for watching John's Answers. John Yellick, out.